My name is Sherry Campo, and I am the Assistant Professor of Engineering. So my main program is a 3-2 engineering program. You spend 3 years at Bethel. You're able to do your foundational courses, calculus, chemistry, physics, your basic mechanical engineering courses, programming, all your gen eds, and then you transition to Notre Dame or Trine. You spend the last 2 years specializing. Any area of engineering that you can find at Notre Dame or Trine, you can start here. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. The other option is the engineering management option. You stay here all 4 years. We take out 6 classes that fall in math, physics, and engineering, and we put in 6 business classes. So this is a very balanced major. Real life is that engineers have to have some business skills. So this has this built in. It is a broad major that allows a lot of flexibility. The best part is the first year is all the same. So students do not have to choose until at least the end of their first year. I really encourage internships so they can have that first summer and do an internship and find out, is mechanical engineering their thing? Or do they really love civil engineering? Or do they love chemical engineering? Or do they like the very broad aspects of engineering, which are more accustomed to engineering management?
My name is Brad Luft. The deciding factor for me to come to Bethel was probably like Gen Chem 1 professor. I walked in on the first day and he knew everybody's names already, never met the guy, but he already knew my name, and that meant a lot. Just highlights the intentionality the professors have here. I think the transition from Bethel to Notre Dame was pretty natural in terms of academics and coursework. It certainly was, like, as expected, more work and harder tests and things like that, but if you are willing to put in the time and put in the effort, it works out pretty well. I have worked for Collins Aerospace on 2 different teams. I worked in configuration management for my first internship, which is more the administration side of engineering. The second team I was on was mechanical design, and we made integrated air data sensors. My internship set me up for a career by not only helping me fill out my resume, but providing me with an opportunity to apply my coursework and really see if I knew what I thought I knew. My faith has developed a lot primarily at Bethel, having to take the courses here to look into the Bible and see who God says he is instead of who I might say he is or who my parents might have said he was. Learning to own your faith and own what God says he does is huge.
The mission of Bethel is to equip God's workers all over the world in all kinds of industries. And Bethel's engineering program is in a perfect position to do that. We have a solid foundation. We have professors that care about students. They are experts in their field. They are constantly trying to better equip our students. When my engineering students that take chemistry, physics, math, computer science, engineering, when they go to Notre Dame or Trine, they do very well. So I stack our preparation against other universities and say it's rock solid.